So hello guys, welcome to Coding Mode. Today we are going to talk about how we can create one HTML and one sign up page with HTML, CSS, PHP object oriental, and mysql. This is my HTML file where I have some code, first name, last name, email, password, and password, and this is my style. Let's open our SAM control panel in order to access our local host. This is my signup.html, and now I'm going to create one file, signup.php. Let's open the PHP tag. Then under this, when you just submit this form, it is going to on this signup.php file, and we are going to get the name, first name, dollar post first name. I think this is how I write here. First name, yeah, like first name, sorry, last name, email, dollar email, and password. And confirm password. Confirm password. Go to dollar post. Confirm password. I think it is like this. Confirm password. Yeah. Now we got all the information from our login page, sign up page. Let's do this. Let's say that if server method dollar server, the request method is post, then we are going to do this all stuffs under this is. Else, let's say we are going to say them that you cannot access this page without you cannot access this page. Now we got the information from this form page. Now we are going to do is first we need to connect with our database. To connect with our database, let's say that server name is equal to localhost. Right now it is going to be localhost, and then dollar username is root, dollar password is nothing, and then the database is let's say users. And now let's create the database. I haven't created the database yet. Now let's first get one variable connection to connect in our database. You connect to database. Yeah, connect to database to new mysqli dollar server name dollar username dollar password, and then dollar database. Now we have connected to our database. Now first we need to create one database. You can access by going to the SAM and then mysqli admin. Let's go here and then create one new database. Users, create the first name, last name, email, password, 4 columns here. Let's say 6, 4, 5, 6, 7 column. Let's create 7 column to users. Create to first name, last name, email, password, created it, updated it, and deleted it, so that we can get the data when it's created, updated, and deleted. Now the first name is Varsar, and then length is 50. Varsar, length 50. Email, Varsar, length 50 is enough. Password, Varsar, let's say 200, because we are going to set the email in hash. And now this is timestamp. This is also the, and this is also the timestamp. I'm sorry. And this is auto increment. No, not auto increment. Default is current timestamp. It will save the current time. And this is, oh no, we just forgot the ID. We cannot forget the ID. Now let's save, and then we will edit this and add one related default null, and then the default is null. Now let's save, and then let's add one column, ID 1, continue, ID int 11, nothing, attribute unsigned, not null, not null, and auto increment, and save. Now we have created our table. Now let's get into our Visual Studio. Now we have this forms, this data when we just submit the form. Now let's save this. First, let's save the password in hash. So hash. Now let me comment this, because I'm going to post this code on CodePen. No, CodePen or GitHub. Now let's say saving password on hash. So hash equal to password hash $password, and then password default. We need to give this argument, password default. Okay, now we have all the data what we need to save. Now let's go save this data in our database. Connection, no, $result is equal to connection, our connection to database, query, and then under this query we are going to say insert into users first name, last name, email, password, and that's it. And the values is $first name, $last name, $email, and then $password. That's it. We have now. Let's verify the input first. If confirm password and confirm password is equal, then we are going to save this information in our database. Let's say else, we're going to echo invalid password. not invalid, incorrect password. Incorrect password. We need to echo to know it's work or not. Save it to database. Now let's see, does it work or not? Ramsey, Kurel, com. We need to give the same password. This is the same. So now, as you can see, guys, it says that save it to database. Now let's see if it is saved to database or not saved to database. Let's see. This is our database, and unfortunately, it is not saved to our database. Let's see what is wrong with this. $connection error. Wait, let's echo this. Let's see the error. What is the error? You have an error in your line to database. There's an error in our query. Insert into users first name, last name, email, password. Okay, so now it should work. Let's see. Boom. Save it to database. Now let's see. Now it's saved to our database. Now you can access this. My next video will be how to create a login page with this data. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys like this video, and I will see you next time.